In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Google Play gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to buy, how to pick the right amount, how to pay, how to get your code, and what to keep for your records. Let's start with where to buy. The safest option is directly through Google, either on the official Google Play website or in the Play Store app. If you prefer a retailer, stick to trusted e-commerce sites and verified sellers. In the United States, that includes places like Amazon, Walmart, or Target. In the Philippines, popular options include Shopee and Lazada. You can also buy physical cards at convenience stores. 7-Eleven in the Philippines is a common choice. Whichever route you take, make sure the card is intended for your country or the recipient's country, since Google Play gift cards are region-locked. Avoid deals that seem too good to be true and skip unverified resellers or social media listings. Next, choose your amount. Pick the value that fits your budget and needs. Denominations like P100, P500, or P1000 are common, but exact amounts vary by country. If you're sending a digital card, carefully enter the delivery email address and, if the store offers it, select your preferred delivery date. Double-check the currency and any limitations in the listing. If you're gifting, confirm the recipient can redeem in their region before you buy. Now it's time to pay. Online, you can usually pay with a credit or debit card or a digital wallet. In-store, you can pay with cash at checkout. Ensure your billing information matches your bank's records to avoid payment holds, and be aware that some retailers may add taxes or small processing fees. Once payment is complete, you'll receive your code. For digital purchases, the code is typically emailed to you almost instantly, though short verification delays can happen. Check your inbox and spam folder and don't share the code with anyone. For physical cards, gently scratch the protective strip to reveal the code and keep the card in packaging until the code is successfully used. Remember, these codes are single-use and region-locked. Only redeem through the official Google Play app or website. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Finally, save your receipt. Keep a copy of the order confirmation or a clear photo of the printed receipt. This proof is essential if your email is delayed, the code is unreadable, or you need help from customer support later. That's it. Buy from official or trusted sources, choose the right amount, pay securely, get your code, and keep your receipt for peace of mind.